Yo, what is up today, guys? It is me from the future bringing you today's video on a Toyota GT86 swap for like your BRZ or your Scion FRS. So I just wanted to show you guys the finished results before we actually get into the video. The install went pretty well, so let me just show y'all. So right here is the GT86 swap, all finished. I've been running it for a couple weeks now. Everything's flush, it looks OEM, and it looks really good. So it came out really good. I'm really happy with the outcome of this. So we're gonna cut into the clips, and if you guys are interested, just stay tuned and you guys will learn how to also swap your FRS into a GT86. So, parts you're going to need are, you're going to need the 2017 headlight brackets, because this new bumper does not fit on the old ones. Also, I heard it's to fix bumper sag for you Gen 1ers, you know what I'm talking about. What else you need? That's pretty much it. Don't forget to buy your tow hook covers. I already have the other one in there, right here. Just make sure when you guys get your bumper painted that this is already in there, so it gets painted with the whole thing. And then also you need to buy, thank you Ivan, you're gonna need to buy these whiskers to put these whiskers on here.
Sir, that's not a real Toyota. Look at the back of that. Oh, sir.
Uh-oh. Exposed. Alright. Let's get this bumper on, gentlemen.
Yes, sir. What do we gotta do?
These in. We're just trying to get it flush because we're not going to talk about what happened to that one. We don't talk about that one.
Sick. Nice.
But Nick pulled through with the Z.
Forcibly?
Force it. Thank you. Actually, I didn't fit.
Oh, what the?
You guys, this group is gaslighting me. Do you hear that, chat? They're gaslighting.
Chat? I guess we're streamers now. We're streamers now, huh? Yeah, these boys are getting paid $1 an hour. Actually, one penny an hour.
And you know the good?
That good, and that gluck after hours.
Is it now gluck?
The gluck.
Oh man, it's just tricky.
Alright, we're gonna get back to you when this is all done. We are just drilling. We use a washer and a bolt because if I ever hit something, I don't want it to just rip off.
Since we're people of color, we're POs.
So much dust. Oh man.
Alright, we have pretty much finished putting on the front lip, and we're just mocking it on for right now.
You see any light leaks?
Focused.
This is the hardest bolt to get out. But make sure you hit all the bolts. It's pretty self-explanatory to get off just the headlight housing.
Alright. He's focused. He's purely focused. Ooh!
Well, that's one way to get it out.
Alright.
How do you get these out? Hey, Quan, do you know how to get these out? Do you know how to get like these?
Alright. So what's going on?
We put on the new headlight bracket. You guys actually do need these. They're a lot different than the 2013 ones. And all you gotta do is revolt everything. Just gonna lock it back on. Make sure your harnesses are back in where they came from too.
You hook it on first, or you?
I mean, they just push in. It's fine.
Nice. Wow, looks like a beginner actually. His brand, he's got the new. He's got the new brackets. Yes, sure.
I could get the white ones. It would look pretty sick, but I don't know. The black, it just
grill for a couple days.
Mouth wide open.
So I can just try around.
The closest part to us is fucking.
Why is this thing all flimsy?
Yeah, rock box.
Rockville's nice.
The farthest I was looking was PG. But PG's already far. It's like 40 minutes from here. Or not here, 40 minutes from Central. I'll be like 30 from here. And if we move that, you gotta, the walls is changing. Well, I feel like a work state.
How many people does it take to put on a bumper?
That would like change. Alright, how many pieces in?
I don't think so because we're not going to become permanent resident there. So, yeah, I was
Oh my god, that was so much easier.
What's wrong? Oh.
just our no, we can keep it here.
Need someone?
Man, when I used to get warm dinners from my mama.
I know, right?
It's fine if it's a little bit because
Now I gotta go eat McChicken. Now I be feeling like a little piggy after I eat McChicken.
Yeah, it's all about the dino nugs.
Oh my goodness.
Like the
bro.
dino nugs out here, like.
I be fighting with the dinosaurs. My T-Rex and my pterodactyl be going back and
Yo,
forth.
it's all about eating the tails first.
Are you able to move the headlight like up a bit?
It's just gonna be like that, dude. It's fine.
Did you not notice?
What do you call it?
Not at first, but after I did, I was like, I was
itself?
getting there. I was like, this man is.
Something looking built off, right? Something looking a little
It's
off.
fine.
This
No,
your
I
man?
mean, it's fine.
This your
'Cause
man?
I bought a part.
Get your man.
I bought a part that was it's coming in with the grill.
Ooh.
Me and Brett like figured it out the other. Remember what I was
What?
talking about? The part that deletes the bumper sag right here.
What?
The replacement, the bracket.
Oh, yeah.
Sick.
Yeah.
But we're gonna have to take it off again anyway, because I have to do the grill.
Because next time I don't want that. I don't want that shit when you start driving that shit that goes. Yo, it just looks cleaner.
Imagine it just
It's
falls
funny
off.
because the paint here is not as yellow because this is like dirtier.
Yeah.
Bruh, but like, I'm just like so happy with how well it's painted.
All right, it's already rolling. So
All right. Now bring it over here.
all right,
Go ahead and show the audience.
3, 2, 1.
Wow. Alright, we're doing the honors. No longer an FRS, but now a Toyota 86.
BRZ? Oh.
Yeah, Toyota BRZ.
Spit on it.
Spit on it. Lick it.
Slap it before you put it in. Before I put it in, I smack her ass.
Wow.
Welcome to the Toyota family.
Wow, welcome to the
Wow.
Toyota Club. Wow.
I just need the fucking grill.
This looks way better.
Yeah.
This looks way better.
Real fucking good.
It just looks like a toothless grandpa right now.
It looks like a silver version of like Toothless, like from How to Train Your Dragon. I'm so happy. I'm so happy being a Toyota fanboy myself. Finally.
That's fine. What's good, guys? It's back at it.
I hope you know I'm putting that in the
Welcome
video.
back.
Oh, fuck.
Look up. Did you record it?
Anyways, guys, welcome back to the video. Just a few updates. I got the grill like the day after. Probably should have waited to do this today, but it is what it is. We got the bumper off again, and we're just gonna slap this bad boy back on. And I'm gonna show you how to get rid of that bumper sag with these two items that you guys need. Yeah,
From the inner chair.
I definitely couldn't have done what I thought I could do.
Ooh. Look at him go. Look at him go.
Do you need help?
He's already failing.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
He's already failing. Love it.
What do you need to do?
You have to press it in.
Oh, hold on. In here, right? It's not aligned over here.
I was looking outside.
It looks misaligned. Wow.
That looks a lot better.
Wow.
Now she has teeth.
Looks like a catfish out here.
Alright, so these are the items that you need to fix bumper sag. I'm just showing you guys the SKUs so you guys can figure out what it is. But yeah, all you do is you just unscrew the old one. It's really simple, and then you just replace it with the new one. And this fixes bumper sag on like the 2017 bumpers. Yeah.
Wow.
That looks good.
She looking misaligned. No,
Oh yeah.
Lucky.
I'm gonna hold it close. Yeah, close nice. Hold it up and we can show it off. We do for our cars.
Actually, I just like the balls on
That's intrusive thoughts at its finest.
Okay, it's matched up down here. Can you just push up there?
Push it or
Try to get it off the car. Can you try to get that to the knob?
really like these? Oh my god! Oh my god! It's flush AF!
Oh yeah, it did kind of fix the bumper sag actually. A lot. That's crazy.
Nice. It looks clean.
She a catfish now.
Oh my god, that looks so good. That looks so good. It looks a lot better with the grill.
I
And
agree.
you know what? Just
Can
go
you-
like.
Can you do the honors and then, because I'm recording a TikTok too. Can you close that? Where's your thing go? There's a.
Oh, it's right here. Yeah, I'm too short.
Brett.
Yeah, I'm too short. It's supposed to be a gasket?
Oh yeah, because I didn't put the whole thing on. Wow. So guys, in order to get these side marker retainers on, all you're gonna need to do is zip tie it. I don't know if y'all can see that because it's really bright, but I zip tied it to the actual bumper itself. And then the bumper retainer, there's like a tab here, like a bumper tab that holds this on. So it's like loose, but it does the job. I just did not know how to work the rivets to get this riveted back on. So I just did it this way. I've been driving with this for a couple weeks now, and it's been very, very good at holding up. So yeah, and then if you guys also see it, you guys might want to buy like new A-clips or whatever, just so you can retain your bumper. If you guys are running the OEM ones, they break very, very easily. So yeah, you just literally clip it back in, and voila, it's in there. You're done. It's pretty flush. OEM holds very, very well. So yeah.
Turn it off. 'Cause I turned
Alright.
it off when I first.
As
I
you can
turned it
see,
off.
y'all, the bumper gap is basically deleted.
It's still sagging.
This guy, but this is it. These are the final results of the GT86 swap. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we hope to catch you in the next one. Peace.
Wow, he's a Toyota boy.
Enough.
How does that look?
Yeah, welcome to Toyota, my G.
It's nice.
It's nice.
It's a time away. Or
Y'all see that? That's footwork. Oh, he ain't expect that. Oh, they ain't expect.
I was expecting you to fall, low key. I was like, yo, he's about to trip himself, huh?
trying to crack
Nah, never catch me slipping.
Yo, it's good.
Hi, Gilly.
Damn, bro, calves looking huge.
Are they? I've been working out.
Woo.